Well, hello everyone and welcome. I am going to show you real quick how to make this pizza I've been telling you about. And so I did the video earlier, but I used it as a, what do you call that? Super Bowl snack, which it can be, but it also can be a pantry eat too. You know, you're just going to take a tortilla, and what I'm doing, because somehow I misplaced my brush, but that's okay. So what I'm doing is I'm just rubbing oil all over the pizza crust. Well, that's what it's going to serve as, all over the tortilla, making sure to get it edge to edge. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to throw it in the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes to crisp it up. All right. I'll be back as soon as that's done. All right. So I have my tortilla out of the oven. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over because this side is nice and crispy, and that way the other side will get crisp too. So now I'm going to do my toppings. Let me put this fork out of the way. Alright, so I have a can of tomato sauce that I opened already, and you know, I just use a little bit, put it back, use a little more. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the top here, like so. See that? So you can make it as saucy or not so saucy. It's up to you. Alright, you can see that this sauce has a lot of herbs and spices in it. You could even put red pepper in here and make it as spicy as you like. You know, this is your pizza, it's up to you. Alright, so I got that. So you could put vegetables on it. This pizza I'm going to keep it a bit simple. And I'm going to put a few pieces of bacon on top. Alright, I'm going to resist eating bacon. So I actually baked this in the oven first. And then I just kind of pulled the pieces apart. That's why they're so odd shaped. You know, you could use pepperoni. You could use hamburger. You could use sausage, breakfast sausage even. It's up to you. Beef sausage. You know, whatever meat you have on hand. Alright. So let me pull out my little paper towel here. I have to just clean my hands off like when I get a little food on them. Ooh, let me put the lid back on here. So I got choices of cheese. I have triple cheddar. You know, so whatever cheese you have, you could use. Provolone. Provolone is actually very popular in my area to use. I even have Italian style. You know what? I think I'm going to go with Italian style. Maybe half and half. But it's your pizza. You can do as you like. Okay, so I'm going to sprinkle a little cheese on there. So let me go ahead and sprinkle that on like that. So that's one way you can do pizza. So this goes in the oven until the toppings are melted. And you know what? I'm going to make this extra special. Extra special. I'm going to put a piece of provolone on top as well. Just one piece. Right in the middle. Bam. Alright, so it goes in the oven. I'm going to say for about 5 minutes. And just make sure to keep an eye on it and everything's melted. You're ready to go. Alright, be right back. Alright. So there's my pizza. Doesn't it look like just a regular thin crust pizza now? So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. I'm going to try not to touch the pan too hard. Ooh, burnt myself with my knife. Because that will dull it. And I also don't want to scratch up my pan. Okay. So then you cut it into quarters. I'm going to show you how to make one more. Okay, so here we go. Alright, ready to serve. Right there. As you can see, not much of a stretch on the thing, but that's alright. It's still cheesy and delicious. So let me make one more. This is for my mom's dinner, and I'm about to get my dinner now. Now we're back. Okay, so I found my pastry brush, and I'm going to just brush it across. But it's kind of good because for people who may not have the pastry brush, this kind of shows you how you can do if you need to. Alright. So the other side still has a little oil from the other pizza, so I'm not too concerned. Look, it's pretty much oiled up on that side. So here we go. Kind of bone dry. Alright, we'll put that over to the side. We're going to use that later. I got a trick to show you. Okay, so again in the oven 5 to 8 minutes until crispy. So I've been doing my demo without my film rolling. So what I did was I had this container upside down as I put my cheese all around. As you can see here, I have like a little tomato sauce, and I forgot to do my tomato sauce too. And I put a little bacon. There's bacon under the cheese, and the cheese is actually triple cheddar. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this egg, and this is going to be more like a breakfast pizza. And this would be something good if you had sliced tomatoes to put on there. That'd be really good. Alright, so I'm going to put my egg right there. And then I'm going to put this in the oven and bake until everything's nice and yummy. Okay? If that's a technical term. Alright, so here's my pizza. I got that one a little crispy. Trying to get the egg cooked. But that's alright. I like crispy. It's brown but not burnt. Alright, so let me get this one cut up. Try to make it so you can see me cut this. Alright. Don't want to burn myself. Let me get a plate. Alright, so there we go. The breakfast pizza. Thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And stick around and watch some more playlists. Alright. Bye-bye.